Out-of-distribution detection. Out-of-distribution detection.
Out-of-distribution detection is the process of automatically flagging inputs that look very different from the data a machine learning model was trained on. It tells the system, this example is unfamiliar, so my prediction might not be trustworthy.
A simple way to picture it. Imagine your model has learned a tight comfort zone around the kinds of examples it has seen before. Out-of-distribution detection measures how far a new input sits from that familiar zone, and raises a hand when something lands way out in the wilderness. This is closely related to how models behave under data distribution shift, which you may have seen discussed separately.
For example, take a medical image classifier trained only on adult chest x-rays from one hospital. If you feed it a pediatric MRI brain scan, the pixels and patterns are totally different from its training data. An out-of-distribution detector should spot that this input is far from its learned distribution and trigger fallback behavior, like asking for human review instead of returning an overconfident label.
Out-of-distribution detection matters because real-world data is messy. Sensors drift, users change, and new situations appear that your training set never covered. By catching these unfamiliar inputs, OOD systems help prevent silent failures, improve monitoring, and support safer decisions in domains like finance, healthcare, and autonomous driving.